Hi Rainbow Loomers! In this tutorial, we will learn how to make Billie the bunny from our Loomigurumi project series. This is a beginner level Loomigurumi project where you will also be making a matching bracelet. Using the tools in our Loomigurumi kit, we will first create Billie's body, then we will attach the eyes, then we will loom the nose and smile directly on Billie, then we will loom and attach the ears, arms, and tail. Lastly, we will make our matching bracelet. Let's quickly go over everything included in your kit. These are your rainbowloom premium rubber bands in 2 different colors. Rainbowloom premium bands are longer lasting and are more durable than regular rubber bands. We would suggest using rainbowloom premium bands for Loomigurumi projects and other bigger projects that you want to last for a longer time. Inside of your Loomi pack, you have a character card, a slip hook, eyes, a starter loom, a bag clip, 4 charms, stitch markers, and G-clips. This is your fluffy filling that you will stuff into your Loomigurumi creation. Keep it inside of the bag for now. Then these are your instructions. And lastly, this is your Loomigurumi hook. If you want to accessorize your hook, let's go over how to attach a charm on the back of your Loomigurumi hook using the G-clips. First, make sure that you leave at least 1 G-clip per charm and 1 more G-clip left over to close off your matching bracelet at the end. If you want your charm to be close to your hook, then you can place 1 G-clip on the back of your hook. And then, place your charm of choice onto the G-clip. Or, you can attach multiple G-clips together and make a longer chain. I'm turning one of the G-clips so that it's flat, and then attaching the other G-clip using its opening. You will repeat this for however long you want your chain to be. I will just be adding 1 more G-clip to my chain. Then, attach one of the G-clips to the back of your hook and attach a charm at the end of the chain. This is what your hook should look like when you're done.